It is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Alexandria, Virginia, and the homeowner has a leak right over here. And you can see the plywood is taking a dip because it's all rotten underneath. There's a few different sources that's causing the leak, and you can see somebody was up on the roof and they were in a desperation mode to try to solve the problem. And what they did is they put cement on all the keys. Also, somebody put caulking on the keys here at the valley. So I'm going to explain exactly what we need to do. First off, I'm going to change all these shingles here. The shingle is called Certainteed XT25 and the color is green mist. Once we have all the shingles here changed, we're going to do the valley here as well. We're going to remove the roofing material on this side of the valley and then also here. It's going to be about 3 feet on both sides. Then we're going to change the plywood here as well, and we're going to fully adhere ice and water shield from the bottom and bring it all the way up to the top, and then we're going to re-shingle both sides. Now also we're going to do the roofing around this vent as well. Now after all the repair is done, it's a very good chance this roof could still leak, and I'll show you why. Take a look at this 750 vent. Also, there's a little bit of hail damage on top, but that's not causing a leak. The flashing here is all exposed. The shingles should be overlapping it, and the nails are exposed too. So the water can very easily get underneath here and then cause a leak. Also, this antenna is going to be removed, and we're going to replace the shingles, once it's removed. But when I look at the rest of the roof, you can see there's other problems. This 750 vent was done wrong, just like the other one, and so is that one there. This vent over here, it's all done wrong as well. It's a cheap rubber going around, and this thing is really bad, and it just deteriorates after a short amount of time. So I would replace this with aluminum pipe flange and do the proper roofing procedures. This roof is, the homeowner said it's about 8 to 10 years old, but it looks more like 14 years old. I guess he has probably like another 5 more years life maximum, but also there's no ridge vent going across the top. He has these 750 vents that ventilate the attic, but they really do no purpose. And all they do is just ventilate the attic in between the rafters wherever they're positioned. So over here, there is no ventilation, and you can see right across the top of the cap shingles, it's all deteriorated. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair and roof replacement in Alexandria and all areas in Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.